trying to finish up this selfie stick video at the beach. It's a lovely afternoon. Some guys are biting me. According to the Amazon item description, this selfie stick works with the iPhone 5 and all the iPhones that come later. However, it is incompatible with iOS 13 and later. Pretty weird if you ask me, but this device will also work with most Android devices running Android 7.0 and later. The Blitzwolf Selfie stick can be compacted into 7.6 inches in length, which makes it ultra portable for fitting into your handbag or your purse, and when extended will reach up to 32.48 inches. The Blitzwolf Selfie Stick tripod also comes with this handy remote with buttons to control the shutter, to zoom in and out, and also for switching between the front and back facing cameras. It also comes with a clamp which can extend from 2.16 inches to 3.5 inches and can rotate through 270 degrees for horizontal and vertical shooting. When I bought this selfie stick, I paid $21 US, but you can grab it now for only $18 on Amazon. I have been making a lot of use of this selfie stick, including the recording of the content which I film at work, because I get to work very early in the morning and at the end of the day I don't really get much time to record. But this has come in handy for that purpose. I have also used it to secure a phone for Zoom meetings so that I have more than one feed. I used this selfie stick to do my birthday shoot myself. Yes, I was the model, I was the photographer, I was the creative director, I was the stylist, I was the makeup artist, I was everything. And if you are as shy as I am, this selfie stick tripod combo is the perfect purchase for you. I am very satisfied with my purchase. This device, this Blitzwolf selfie stick tripod, is ultra portable and I love it.